Why 2024, you ask? Well, let me tell you, 2024 is not just another year. It's a year full of opportunities, challenges, and surprises. It's a year that could transform your life in ways you never imagined. It's a year that could make you unstoppable. But how do you prepare for such a year? How do you set yourself up for success? How do you achieve your goals and dreams? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to share with you the 10 steps that I personally use to plan, execute, and enjoy my life every year. And I'm going to show you how you can apply them to your own situation and circumstances. So if you're ready to take your life to the next level, if you're ready to become the best version of yourself, if you're ready to make 2024 your best year ever, then keep watching. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Reflect on your past achievements and failures. Before you start planning for the future, it's important to look back at the past and learn from your experiences. What did you accomplish in 2023? What did you enjoy doing? What did you struggle with? What did you learn? Write down your answers in a journal or a document and celebrate your wins and acknowledge your losses. Step 2. Set SMART goals for 2024. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These are the criteria that make your goals more effective and realistic. For example, instead of saying, I want to lose weight, you can say, I want to lose 10 pounds by June 1st by exercising 3 times a week and eating healthy. Having SMART goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the year. Step 3. Break down your goals into smaller tasks. Sometimes big goals can seem overwhelming and daunting. That's why it's helpful to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks that you can do on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. For example, if your goal is to write a book, you can break it down into tasks like outline the chapters, write 500 words a day, edit the first draft, etc. This way, you can track your progress and celebrate your milestones. Step 4. Create a vision board for 2024. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. It can be a physical board, a digital collage, or a slideshow that you can look at every day. To create a vision board, you need to collect images, words, quotes, or symbols that resonate with you and your goals. You can use magazines, newspapers, online sources, or your own photos. Arrange them on your board in a way that inspires you and makes you happy. A vision board will help you visualize your success and attract positive energy into your life. Step 5. Schedule your tasks and activities. Having a schedule or a calendar is essential for staying organized and productive. It helps you plan your time and prioritize your tasks and activities. You can use a paper planner, a digital app, or a combination of both. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. Make sure you allocate enough time for your work, your personal projects, your hobbies, your family, and your friends. And don't forget to include some time for yourself to relax and recharge. Step 6. Take action and be consistent. This is the most important step of all. You can have the best goals, the best vision board, and the best schedule, but if you don't take action and be consistent, nothing will happen. Action is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. Consistency is the fuel that keeps you going. So don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect mood. Just start and keep going. Even if you face obstacles, setbacks, or failures, don't give up. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Step 7. Monitor your progress and adjust your plan. As you take action and be consistent, you will see results. Some of them will be positive, some of them will be negative. Either way, you need to monitor your progress and adjust your plan accordingly. You can use tools like journals, trackers, charts, or graphs to measure your performance and see how far you've come. You can also use feedback, reviews, or testimonials to evaluate your impact and see how you can improve. If you find that something is not working, don't be afraid to change it. Be flexible and adaptable to the changing circumstances. Step 8. Reward yourself and have fun. Achieving your goals and becoming the best version of yourself is not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. That's why you need to reward yourself and have fun along the way. Celebrate your achievements, big or small, and treat yourself to something you enjoy. It could be a movie, a meal, a trip, a gift, or anything else that makes you happy. Having fun and rewarding yourself will keep you motivated and energized for the next challenge. Step 9. Connect with like-minded people and mentors. You are not alone in your journey. There are many people who share your vision, your passion, and your goals. And there are many people who have already achieved what you want to achieve. Connecting with like-minded people and mentors will help you grow, learn, and succeed. You can find them online, in person, or through events, groups, or communities. You can also create your own network of supporters, friends, and collaborators. Surround yourself with positive, inspiring, and empowering people who will cheer you on and help you along the way. Step 10. Give back and make a difference. Becoming the best version of yourself is not only about you, it's also about how you can contribute to the world and make make it a better place. You have unique gifts, talents, and skills that you can use to help others and make a positive impact. You can volunteer, donate, mentor, teach, or create something that adds value and solves a problem. Giving back and making a difference will not only benefit others, but also yourself. It will make you happier, more fulfilled, and more grateful. So these are the 10 steps you can take to become the best version of yourself in 2024. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your goals and dreams are for 2024. I would love to hear from you and support you in your journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.